the Dolomites again, and this is a different mountain called Valunga. And I just went to see this, and it says that Valunga is the home of the golden eagle, and the longest a golden eagle's wingspan is 2.9 meters. 2.9 meters is this big. This is 1 meter, 2 meters, and this is another. So it's always like that big.
Can you imagine something being that big? For example, if you compare my size, which is around 160 centimeters or 1.6 meters, the eagle's wingspan is almost double my size. It's crazy.